Hey, what's up, guys? This is Adam Heitzman, and welcome to Tea Time with Adam. Today, I'm going to be drinking Sanxia white tea from Mountain Stream Teas based in Taiwan. This white tea from Sanxia that I will be drinking today is produced in very small batches, and it's all hand-picked. For this first infusion, I'm going to be brewing about 5 grams of it. That's what I usually do with pretty much every tea. And I'm going to be going around 185 degrees on the water. And for my starting infusion length, I'm going to be going about 45 seconds, which is pretty standard for what I do. It's very warm and smooth. It's pretty good sweetness to it. I can get a bit of a citrusy note in there, although not too much yet. I think more is going to come out later. I'm definitely getting a nice, just like warm, orangey, citrusy flavor. I'm not getting too much like the hay bale smell that I often get with white tea. Although I do definitely kind of get it in the taste. So basically, this first infusion is just like nice, smooth. It's got that sort of like hay bale flavor you often get in a lot of white teas, but it's got a nice like citrusiness mixed in there too that really just like balanced it out and gave it a bit of extra like, I don't know, flavor. On this second infusion now, I'm going to be going closer to 50 seconds, I think. That sort of hay bale flavor has definitely died down. The flavor's a lot sharper. The orange note is maybe slightly more present, but there's also just like a hint of ginger in there too. Yeah, I think the first infusion had a little more depth than this. I might have gone a little short on the infusion this time, but it's got a little less of that like nice, just warm, smooth depth that the first one had, but it is slightly sharper, especially in some of those like higher notes. And then for this third infusion, let's go up to a minute. I'm not really sure how to describe it. Definitely had a bit of that sourness in there. Yeah, the aroma had definitely a sort of like a soury, fruity sort of smell, but it was like very deep. Yes. Okay, this infusion has a much fuller body than I got last time. It just has this super nice, like, creamy, smooth flavor. It's basically just sort of an extension of what I got before, the whole citrus notes, but with like some ginger coming out. The ginger note is definitely a lot more prominent this time, and it's really blending in there nicely. And it's just got like this nice like sweetness that just like really just rounds out the whole flavor. Yeah, it's definitely got a very creamy note to it as well. Like I was almost getting like an actual like physical taste of cream. Like not just like creamy as in texture. Like it even carries over to the flavor just slightly. It just, as I said before, like it's just very smooth and just rounded. Yeah, this is really good. Okay, 4th infusion. I think now I'm gonna bump it up to like a minute 15. 4th infusion, let's go. Okay, and this one, the astringency is definitely starting to come out more. The whole like sourness of it has a lot more bite than it did before. I mean, it's still like not overpoweringly sharp or anything. It's still pretty rounded and balanced, but it's, yeah, a bit sharper than the last infusion. Yeah, it's got a nice thick warmth to it, almost a bit of woodiness. But yeah, the main notes I'm getting is just that citrus and ginger, definitely leaning more into the ginger now, and it's really starting to become more sour than it was before. Although it's interesting how like the bottom notes sort of have changed from the whole hay bale flavor to more like something a little woodier. Yeah, like this almost tastes like that sort of white tea stuffed in an orange that you can get, except this isn't put in an orange at all, it's just the white tea itself. I might try one more infusion, but yeah, minute and a half, go up, 5th infusion. I mean, this is still tasting good so far, so I might as well just push it, get another infusion. I mean, it's gonna be more annoying filming B-roll, but I'm still really enjoying this. And that hit me with this like very strong sweet aroma. I don't know why, but the aroma just almost reminded me of marshmallows right there. That was weird. I guess it almost does have sort of like a citrusy marshmallowy aroma to it, but yeah, the actual flavor is definitely starting to lose its sort of depth, and it's just kind of flattening out. Definitely leading into that citrus flavor. Yeah, this has that sort of citrusy bitterness, and it's almost got sort of like a woody backing in like the bass notes, but like it's just a very faint flavor. I can just like feel like some solid bass to the citrus flavor that I'm getting. Although overall it is definitely starting to lose complexity. I think that's where I'm going to end the video for today. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.